Hi, welcome to the Data Standards Body YouTube channel. This video discusses version 1.32.0 of the Consumer Data Standards. Consumer Data Standards version 1.32.0 was released on 21st of October 2024. This release includes changes consulted on during the 20th maintenance iteration and addresses minor defects raised in standards staging. The changes are largely corrections and clarifications in descriptions of CDS, APIs, schemas, and fields. Breaking changes. There are two breaking changes described in Standards Maintenance Issue 648 and 653. Issue 648 adopt BCP 195 for TLS ciphers. Issue 648 changes the CDS supported ciphers section to remove reference to explicit ciphers and instead refer to BCP 195. The proposed wording changes the word by to in. In addition to Section 8.5 of FAPI 1.0 Advanced, only cipher suites recommended in BCP 195 shall be permitted. Issue 653 Energy Plan Tariff Period cater for plans with no daily supply charge. Issue 653 resulted in amending the Energy Plan Tariff Period V2 daily supply charge type field description. The change removes the default value assumption of single if the field is not provided. This allows sharing of plans without a specific daily supply charge. This change is included in the existing 11th November 2024 FDO for Get Generic Plan Detail V4 and Get Energy Account Detail V5. The change is treated as errata to avoid a version update. Non-breaking changes. Non-breaking changes are minor defects raised in the standards staging repository and change requests raised in the standards maintenance repository. The titles are listed here with some brief explanations. For details, see the issues. Standards staging. Issue 410. Clarify RateString description and examples. Percentages are represented as decimal fractions of 1. Issue 411. Fix typos. Issue 413, merge changelog and archives sections. The heading for this section is now changelog and archives. Issue 417, non-existent property amount listed as required. Issue 418, add a link to CX guidelines to the left menu pane of the standards. Issue 419, field name styling. Field names appear in italics. Issue 426, error in telco OAS components, fix incorrect nesting. Issue 437, remove known issues. Resolved issues are no longer listed in the known issues section. Issue 438, improve code sample section styling, ensure consistent grouping and spacing. Standards maintenance. Issue 641, update CDS documentation to clarify expected rate value sign, plus or minus, for each rate type. A bonus or discount is represented as a plus, positive. Issue 647, maintenance iteration 20 holistic feedback. Issue 652, specify units of currency to be used for the amount string field type. When working with AUD units, represent amount as a decimal number of dollars, with fractional amounts after the decimal point. A currency symbol must not be supplied. That completes the changes for version 1.32.0 of the Consumer Data Standards. Thanks for watching. Follow the Data Standards Body YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.